Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, I'm your playgroup teacher, and this is your maths class. Okay, class. So today our topic, first we revised our yesterday digits, and today we learn new topic. But first we learn this book name, my first book of numbers, shapes, colors. Okay, in this book we learn about numbers like digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we learn about shapes like square, circle, triangle, and color. The last one is colors. Colors mean rang like red, blue, green, yellow. Okay, so this is your maths book, and the name is my first book of numbers, shapes, colors. Okay, so first we divide digits. Okay, we revise digits one by one. So digit is this one and one card. The next one is two leaves. Okay, and digit is this three, and these are three hot air balloons. Three hot air balloons. Okay, and the last one is four. Yes, four. How many fishes are there? Four fishes. One, two, three, four. But today we doing activity, and today our topic is related to shapes. बच्चे आज हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे वो कौन से क्राइटेरिया में आते हैं, वो है शेप्स. बुक के कौन से पार्ट में आते हैं? शेप्स वाले में. ओके, so look at this picture. Okay, this is your shapes portion in maths book. SHAPES, shapes. SHAPES, shapes. Okay, look at this. These all are shapes. These all are different shapes like square. This one is square. The red one is square. The pink one is heart. The orange one, the brown one is oval. This one is rectangle. This one is triangle, and this one is square. Okay, so these all are shapes. Now, this is your first shape, and the first one shape is circle. Which shape is this? Circle, which has no side. Circle का कोई side नहीं होता है. It is round shape. ये बिल्कुल round shape होता है, बिल्कुल गोल होता है. And the color of this circle is red. Okay, so CIRCLE, circle. Circle. Okay, this shape is called circle, and circle has no corners, no sides. Okay, now look at these pictures. This is sun. What is this? Sun. SUN, sun. Sun means Suraj. Okay, and the color of this sun is yellow, and the shape of this sun is circle shape. Okay, circle shape. Okay, and the next one picture is coin. The next one is coin. COINS, coin. Coin means सिक्के. Okay, तो coins का जो shape होता है वो भी बिल्कुल circle की तरह होता है. Okay, it looks like a circle shape. Now the another one picture is cookie. What is this? Cookie. Okay, cookie, and the shape of this cookie is circle shape. COOKIES. 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 Cookie. Okay. So today our topic is square shape. Okay. We revise circle shape, but today our topic is square shape. So SQUARE, square. Okay. Which shape is this? Square. And square has four corners. How many corners? How many sides? Four corners. Okay, like this. Look at this picture and count with me. One side, two, three, four. These are four sides of square shape. Square shape के four corners होते हैं, four sides होते हैं. Okay, so These are the pictures. The first one is photo frame. PHOTO photo, FRAME frame, photo frame. Okay, photo frame में हम क्या लगाते हैं? पिक्चर लगाते हैं. Okay, so the shape of this photo frame is look like a square. इस photo frame का जो shape होता है वो बिल्कुल किसकी तरह नजर आता है? Square की तरह. Okay, because इस photo frame के 20 sides है 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Photo frame. Okay. Now the second one picture is clock. CLOCK clock. CLOCK clock. Okay. Clock means घड़ी जिसमें हम लोग टाइम चेक करते हैं. So इस clock का shape जो है ये भी किसकी तरह है? Which shape is this? Square shape. Okay, like इसकी भी 4 sides है, 4 corners है. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 corners, and the shape of this block is square shape. Okay. Now the last one picture is window. 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 Okay. विंडो मीन खिड़की. बच्चे जिस तरह हम सबके घर में सबके क्लास में विंडोज होती है ना, खिड़की होती है, तो हम ओपन करके ठंडी ठंडी हवा आती है. ओके, तो WINDOW विंडो. ओके, एंड द शेप ऑफ दिस विंडो इज स्क्वायर शेप. ओके, so now all of you close your books and this is your 50 time. Okay, this is your math class, and today in math worksheet the activity name is trace the square shape and color it. Okay, बच्चे आप सबको ये डॉट्स नजर आ रहे हैं ना? इसको हम पहले ज्वाइन करेंगे, इससे हम स्क्वायर शेप बनाएंगे और उसके बाद हम इसको कलर करेंगे. ओके, yes, like this. Trace the square shapes and color it. बच्चे, first we join these dots. First we join these dots and then we color it. Okay, we color it. So okay, so first we trace it. Okay, हम इस वाली लाइन से शुरू करते हैं, इस वाली साइड की लाइन से. Okay, so put your pencil on the first one dot and then make a straight line. बच्चे, तो लेफ्ट साइड पे जो लाइन डॉट्स है इनको हम स्ट्रेट लाइन इस पे बनाएंगे. ओके, इन लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, so join these dots like this one by one. We join it. Okay, see, we join two dots and make a straight line. Okay, yes, so we make straight line. Look at this side. लेफ्ट साइड पे हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, नाउ वी जॉइन इन राइट साइड डॉट्स. ओके, so we join these dots in right side. So put your pencil on the first one dot and then come down and down like this. Okay, and join these dots and then stop. Okay, so दोनों साइड पे हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेट लाइन को ट्रेस कर लिया है, डॉट्स को हमने ज्वाइन कर लिया है. ओके, वी ट्रेस लेफ्ट वन साइड एंड राइट वन साइड. ओके, नाउ अब हम ऊपर वाली साइड पे हम इस लाइन को हम स्लीविंग लाइन को हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. ओके, तो दोबारा हम पेंसिल इस वाले डॉट पे रखेंगे एंड देन जॉइन दीस डॉट्स लाइक दिस एंड वी मेक स्लीव लाइन. We make line. We make sleeve line. Okay. Yes, like this. Okay. Now the last one line is left. So in last one line we also join these dots like this. Okay. is also called smooth line. Okay, so see, we have done square shape. We join these dots and it's look like a square shape. Okay, तो ये square shape बन गया है. अब हम इसको color करेंगे. Okay, कोई सा भी कलर आप लोग यूज कर सके जो आपका favorite हो. Okay, for square shape we make square shape and we use any color if you like it. Okay, so I use orange color. I use orange color and color it. Okay, and I will color it inside the square. सच्चे लाइन के बाहर किसी ने नहीं निकालना है और नीट कलरिंग करनी है. Okay, so which shape is this? Square shape. Okay, square has four corners. Square has four sides and कौन सी चीजें स्क्वायर की शेप की तरह होती है? फोटो फ्रेम. Okay, the shape of photo frame is square shape. And the second one picture is window. Window means khidki, and the shape of window is square shape. The shape of window is square shape. Okay. And the next one picture is clock. Clock means gadi. And the shape of clock is square shape. Okay. So the next one color is I will use the next one color and I will use pink color. Okay. आप लोग का जो भी favorite color हो आप उसको square को दे दे. So I will use pink color. Okay. Sorry, red color. This square shape and we color it like this. Okay, we use different colors. बच्चे आपकी अपनी मर्जी है आप जो भी कलर यूज करना चाहते हैं. This one is red color. Okay, this one is red color. This one is red color. This one is red color. Okay. So orange color and black color. Okay. Now the next one is green. We use green color. Okay. Like this. Green color. Okay. Orange, red, and green. Okay. First we trace the square shape and then we color it. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now we use blue color. First we use orange color, then red, and this one is yellow color. Okay. Okay, this one is yellow color. Now last one is blue color. Okay, इस एरिया को हम blue color करेंगे like this. Okay, so which shape is this? Square shape, and it's almost completed. So last one color is blue color. Okay, like this. Afan bache, you have done your worksheet. Show me. Afan, show me. Very good. Very nice. Okay, and Ahmed Mustafa, you show me. Okay, and Urba, where are you? Bache, show me. Show me your worksheet. Okay, so finish. We color the square shape and we have done. So today activity name is trace the square shape and color it. Okay, trace the square shape and color it. Okay, so we color this square shape, but before we color the square shape, first we join these dots. Like in the left side we join these dots and right side we join these dots. Okay, and then we color it. So today अपनी क्लास आज हमने इस क्लास में कौन सी शेप की ट्रेसिंग की थी? स्क्वायर शेप. ओके, विच शेप इज दिस? स्क्वायर शेप. स्क्वायर शेप. ओके बच्चे, घर में सबने इस स्क्वायर शेप की सबने प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके, सो द क्लास इज फिनिश. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.